Hello learners, here I am with a new video for y'all. So today we are going to learn question tags, which is one of the topic from your English grammar. Now let's see what is question tag and how to use it. So a question tag is a small question at the end of a statement. So according to this point, question tag means a small tag which is a place, which is a we can add in the statement. At the end of the statement we can add the question tag. Question tags are used when asking for agreement or confirmation. Now according to this point, question tags are used when we are talking about agreement or we want to confirm the thing. Okay, we want to confirm ki is it true or not, is it right or not. So just for that we use question tags in a statement. Now remember some point, we use the auxiliary or modal verb in the statement in the question tag. Example, she looks really great, doesn't she? Your father can't drive, can he? Okay, so over here what they want to say is ki we use auxiliary or modal verb. So according to this modal verb, I guess everyone knows about auxiliary verbs or modal verbs. So is, are, am, okay, is, then your are, then am, okay, has, have, all this comes under auxiliary and should. Just a minute. Then what is modal verbs? You must have heard about should, would, can, could. Okay, these all comes under modal verbs. So a question tag is always used with the is always used. Question tags always use auxiliary or modal verbs in a statement. For example, just see the question over here. For one example is given, she looks really great, doesn't she? Now why did we use doesn't over here? So you will get the answer in the next slide. Now next is, we only use pronouns in question tags. So when we add a question tag at the end of the statement, we always use pronouns with the tags. Okay, we write suppose see in the example 1, she looks really great. Now after using modal verb या auxiliary verb, we always use pronoun with the verb. In the next statement, your father can't drive. Now we are talking about the father, so what will be the pronoun of father? Then here you will get he. So can he? For positive statements, the question tag must be negative. If we are writing if we want to write a positive, if we have positive statement like I can read, so for this I will add one comma over here and then I will over here read, R-E-A-D. Okay, so I can read. For tagging a question tag, I have to first put a comma after the statement. मुझे एक statement लिखने के बाद वहाँ comma डालना होगा. Then I will put my question tag. Now I have modal auxiliary over here, can. So what will be my question tag? My question tag will be in negative. Why? Because we have positive statement. Okay, so for positive statement we will use negative tag. So over here I have to write can't, and after that follows the pronoun. So can't I? Okay, then the main thing is question mark. After writing the tag you must put the question mark, because if you won't put it you will lose your marks in exams. So over here, if I have positive statement, I will use negative tag over here. ठीक है. Now we'll look for the second example. He didn't come to the party. ठीक है, he didn't come to the party. So over here I will put a comma and I have verb over here didn't. So we have negative statement. जो हमारा statement है did not, ठीक है, didn't. तो ये जो statement है we already have negative. तो our question tag will be positive. So how we will write it? Did follows the pronoun. Did he? And then a question mark. So here it is. So we have completed this. So if the question tag, if the statement is positive, you have to remember that if the statement is positive, you have to use negative tag. And if the statement is negative, you have to put positive question tag. Okay. We only use pronouns in question tags. तो what this point says कि हम सिर्फ pronouns को question tags में use करते हैं, not all the sentences. Okay, not all the sentences, only pronouns are used in a question tag. Okay, now moving to the next point. Over here we have two types of question tags. One is positive, other one is negative. नेगेटिव कैसे होगा? जब जिसमें नॉट, नेवर ये सारे वर्ड्स आएंगे, दैट मीन्स दैट क्वेश्चन टैग इज नेगेटिव. और अगर ये सारे वर्ड्स नहीं आएंगे, दैट मीन्स दैट क्वेश्चन टैग इज पॉजिटिव. फॉर ए पॉजिटिव स्टेटमेंट वे पॉजिटिव. ओके. So for a positive statement, we have to use negative tags, and if we have negative statements, then we have to use positive tag. Okay. So we have two types of tags, that is one is positive, then other one is negative. And for positive statement, we should use negative tags. And for negative statements, we have to use positive tags. Now, moving to the next slide. Here I have some of question tags, some of negative statement and positive tag. So just have a look over here. You aren't a teacher, are you? He isn't crazy, is he? Okay, so what we are doing is we just removing the not from the statement. Okay, not from the verbs. We over here, all this you can see is modal auxiliary and helping verbs. Okay, these all are modal auxiliary and helping verbs which is added with not. Okay, which is with not. So what we have to do, if we have negative statement, we just have to put a positive tag over there. So how we will do this? We will just take out the modal auxiliary or helping verb from it. Just say we have aren't over here. Okay, so we will write are. After that we have to write the pronoun. Okay, we have to write the pronoun with question mark. So here we completed question tag. Now next, he isn't crazy. Again we have negative tag. So we will put here is. Is he? He wasn't relaxed. So what we will write? Was he? Okay. In the same manner, if we have don't, then we will write do. If we have didn't, then we will write did. If we have haven't, then we will write have, following the pronouns and question mark. So in the same manner, all the auxiliary will go in the same way. Now over here, statement using barely, hardly, neither, no, nobody, none, okay, nothing and seldom. These all are treated as negative statement. तो अगर आपके सेंटेंस में आपको ऐसा कुछ दिखेगा कि जिसमें nobody है, nothing है, so you have to think that this is नेगेटिव और आप लोग का टैग होगा पॉजिटिव. ठीक है, ये नेगेटिव स्टेटमेंट्स हैं तो इसीलिए आपके टैग्स होंगे पॉजिटिव. सो वेंट इज पास्ट ऑफ वांट. ठीक है, सॉरी, वेंट इज पास्ट ऑफ गो. ठीक है, जाने का पास्ट है वेंट. सो इसीलिए जब पास्ट आएगा तो वी विल यूज डिड. और नोबडी मीन्स बहुत सारे लोग हैं यहाँ पे, तो दे, वी विल यूज प्रोनाउन दे. नोबडी, दे, क्वेश्चन मार्क. डिड दे. नथिंग इज रेडी, तो वी हैव ओवर हियर इज इट. फॉर दिस वी हैव टू यूज इट, प्रोनाउन इट. ठीक है, तो isn't it, sorry, is it, because nothing is negative statement. Okay, now in the same manner अगर हमारे पास पॉजिटिव स्टेटमेंट में अगर ये सब आया तो वी हैव टू राइट दिस वन. ठीक है, वाइस वर्सा. अगर हमें पॉजिटिव स्टेटमेंट मिल रहा है तो वी हैव टू राइट नेगेटिव टैग्स, एंड इफ वी आर गेटिंग negative tags then we have to write positive tags. Okay, negative verbs, negative statement. Now some rules of tag formation. So here we will see for some rules. Now first is positive statement has a negative question. As we saw earlier कि हमारे पास अगर positive statement होगा तो हमारा नेगेटिव क्वेश्चन टैग बनेगा. ओके, ही इज एन आर्मी मैन आएगा. एंड सो ही इज एन आर्मी मैन. इजंट ही, आपका ये स्टेटमेंट पॉजिटिव है तो यहाँ पे इज हमारा हेल्पिंग वर्ब है, हमें हेल्पिंग वर्ब का ही नेगेटिव टैग्स बनाना है. तो इज का हो जाएगा, नेगेटिव हो जाएगा इजंट, और हमारे पास प्रोनाउन है ही. Isn't he, and then following question mark. Okay, so is will become isn't. Negative statement has a positive question tag. Okay, so अगर हमारे पास स्टेटमेंट ही नेगेटिव है तो we will use positive tags. जैसे we have statement, we have modal auxiliary has not, hasn't. ठीक है, so we have to write this in positive form. How we will write? We will just take out the not from it and we will write the remaining verb as it is. जैसे has, and then the movie जो है वो हमें कैसे लिखना है, उसका प्रोनाउन it होगा. So we will write it over here. Is, has it. ठीक है. Now coming to the next rule. Okay, now over here जब आपके क्वेश्चन में, जब आपके स्टेटमेंट में am आएगा then you have to write aren't. ठीक है, if you are getting statement I am a girl, how you will write? Put a comma over here, then am का हो जाएगा aren't I. And you must remember I will always come as you have to write I as capital. ठीक है, so I am will become aren't in a statement, and if you are getting aren't I, then you have to write am I. Okay, just remember this is special rules over here. Okay, so over here one example is given, I am a citizen. So for am we have to write aren't, and following the pronoun I will come capital because this is alone, और I हम हमेशा अकेले लिखते हैं इसलिए कैपिटल में लिखेंगे. ठीक है, आफ्टर दैट क्वेश्चन मार्क. बी केयरफुल, डू नॉट राइट एंड, दिस इज इनफॉर्मल. ओके, वी डोंट हैव टू राइट एंड ओवर हियर. एंड लिखेंगे तो हम अपने मार्क्स लूज कर सकते हैं क्योंकि ये इनफॉर्मल पॉइंट है लिखने का. सो द नेक्स्ट रूल इज insert do when there is no auxiliary verb. ठीक है, अगर हमारे पास ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब नहीं है, हमारे पास कोई हेल्पिंग वर्ब या ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब नहीं है हमारे स्टेटमेंट में, तो हमें क्या करना है, हमें वर्ब पे ध्यान देना है। अगर हम वर्ब पे ध्यान देंगे तो हमें हमारा क्वेश्चन टैग बनाने में हेल्प मिलेगा। अब देखो कैसे ध्यान देना है वर्ब्स पे। यहाँ पे हमारे पास इज, एम, आर, हैव, वुड, शुड कुछ नहीं है। सो व्हाट वी विल पुट फॉरवर्ड, हमें क्या देखना है कि हमारे पास वर्ब कौन से टेंस में है। ओके, सो यहाँ पे हमारे पास वर्ब है बोर, टीचर्स बोर स्टूडेंट्स। ठीक है, सो यहाँ पे हमारे पास वर्ब है प्रेजेंट टेंस में। ओके, द वर्ब इज इन द प्रेजेंट टेंस। For present tense we have to use do for positive and don't for negative tags. ठीक है, for positive we have to use do. If we have present verb plus s with the verb, okay, then there we have to use does for positive tag and doesn't, just a minute, doesn't for negative tag. Okay, now last one is did. How we will use did over here? So when the verb is in past tense, okay, when the verb is in past tense, we have to use did for positive tag and didn't for the negative tag. Okay, is it clear for you? So what we will do when we don't have any verb, any auxiliary in the statement, we will look for verb in which tense it is. ठीक है, हमें verbs को देखना है वो कौन से tense में दिया गया है। तो अगर हम टेंस देखेंगे तो हमें समझ में आ जाएगा कि वो हमें वहाँ पे कौन सा डू फॉर्म यूज़ करना है। सो जब हम स्टेटमेंट देखते हैं तो यहाँ पे है फर्स्ट वाला, हम देखते हैं टीचर्स बोर स्टूडेंट्स। तो यहाँ पे हमारे पास टेंस है प्रेजेंट, ओनली प्रेजेंट। ओके, ओनली प्रेजेंट, तो वी विल यूज़ डू। तो व्हाट विल बी द क्वेश्चन टैग? अब हमारे पास स्टेटमेंट पॉजिटिव है, कोई भी नॉट वाला स्टेटमेंट नहीं है, तो वी विल यूज़ डोंट। ठीक है, आर टैग विल बी नेगेटिव। सो बोर का प्रेजेंट है और उसमें हम लिखेंगे डोंट। अब यहाँ पे टीचर्स है, नॉट अ सिंगल टीचर, टीचर्स मैनी याद है, सो वी विल राइट प्रोनाउन ओवर हियर दे। ओके, इज इट क्लियर फॉर यू? नाउ नेक्स्ट स्टेटमेंट, सलमान डेटेड कैटरीना। ठीक है, नाउ वी हैव वर्ब ओवर हियर डेटेड। सो डेटेड इज इन past tense. Dated is in past tense. So when we have past tense with us, we will use did because हमारा statement यहाँ पे positive है, तो our question tag will be negative. So here Salman dated Katrina. Put a comma, right? Didn't he? Question tag. Salman is a boy and for boy first pronoun is he. Okay. Salman is a man, sorry. Okay, now the third statement is Ranveer dances well. अब now think over here, we have present, ठीक है, verb is in present tense, but dance के साथ we have s over here. ठीक है, डांस के साथ हमारे पास s भी है, तो हमारा verb जो है present में है और उसके साथ है s. So for that, और हमारा स्टेटमेंट पूरा पॉजिटिव है, नो नेगेटिव स्टेटमेंट इज ओवर हियर। ठीक है, सो हमारा स्टेटमेंट पूरा पॉजिटिव है, सो वी हैव टू यूज नेगेटिव टैग. सो व्हेन पास्ट व्हेन प्रेजेंट प्लस एस कम्स इन अ स्टेटमेंट, वी हैव टू यूज डज और डजंट. सो ओवर हियर द स्टेटमेंट इज इन पॉजिटिव, तो टैग विल बी नेगेटिव. सो वी विल write doesn't, और रणवीर is a man, तो we will write he for him. ठीक है, he is the first pronoun, he is the pronoun for first person. So I hope you must have got the clear with what I taught you today. So let's solve this worksheet one by one. I will put answers over here. You also try. Okay, over here when we have will na, at that time we have to write won't. Okay, for that we have to write won't. Okay, so here we have helping verb will. So what will come? Won't. Raju का pronoun will come he. Won't he? Question mark. Okay. Moving to the next question. Cars pollute the environment. So over here we don't have any auxiliary verb or any helping verb. So we have to look for verbs. So over here we have pollute. Now pollute is in present tense. So for present tense our statement is in positive. So we will use negative tag. So for pollute we will write don't. We have cars over here. एक कार की बात नहीं है, बहुत सारी cars हैं. तो we will write don't they and put a question mark. Okay. Now next question is you can sing sweetly. Now this is also a positive statement. Now we have auxiliary over here can. So can अगर हमारे पास positive statement है और हमारा auxiliary can है तो हम यहाँ पे लिखेंगे can't, pronoun you, then question mark. Okay, is it clear with you? Raju was not at home. So यहाँ पे हमारे पास verb है, but look after that we have not. So this is a negative statement. So what we will do? We have to write was. Raju का first pronoun he. Was he? Question mark. Done with this. Rani loves dance. तो यहाँ हमारे पास कोई helping verb नहीं है. तो what we will do? We will see for verb. अब हमारे पास verb है love जो कि है present. Love हो गया present. उसके साथ है s. तो what we will do? We will write और हमारा statement है positive. तो we will use does. अब positive statement है तो we will write doesn't. रानी लड़की है तो we will write she. Doesn't she? And then put a question mark after that. Okay, I don't have space so I am writing this over here. Now close the door. अब यहाँ पे imperative sentence है close the door. ठीक है, so imperative sentence के लिए हमें क्या लिखना है इसका तो मैंने बताया नहीं आप लोग को. So we will write won't you. ठीक है, और then question tag. So remaining questions you will do for a homework and see that how much you have understood.